Hey, if you want to change your username on the Snapchat, first of all, you have to click on the left upper corner on this red icon and then tap on the right upper corner on the settings icon. Then from here, you will have to go into the username, and now you can easily change it by tapping right here. If it doesn't work, click to change username, and as you can see, we can change the username only by changing once a year. So unfortunately, you can do this as this information show us once in a year, and you can just type something right here and click change. Of course, we have to also get this rules, so we can use usernames can include Latin letters, numbers, and either these characters, but no other special characters. So we cannot use, for example, the backspace. So now it will be correct, and I can click next. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.